Pastor Mark Biltz here from Shaddai Ministries. Thank you again so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe and share. Also, please like this video, and we would love to hear your comments. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Exodus 40, verse 34 and 35. Then the cloud covered the tent of the congregation. The glory of the Lord fills the tabernacle. And Moses wasn't able to enter into the tent of the congregation because the cloud stayed on there and the glory of the Lord filled the tabernacle. Okay, wait a minute. I thought the tabernacle was created so we could enter. So how come Moses can't enter? Well, next week we begin the book of Leviticus with the Lord calling out to Moses on how he can now draw near. Okay? Now, here's what a lot of people don't realize. In English, when we say the first 5 books of the Bible, we say Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, but that is not the names in the Jewish Bibles. They use a Hebrew word that is found in the first verse. So, for example, instead of Genesis, they'll say what? Bereshit, which means in English, in the beginning. So the first word of Genesis, Bereshit, is how they say the first book. So their name of their first book is in the beginning. And then comes Exodus, but they don't say Exodus. What do they say? Shemot. And Shemot means these are the names. When we think of Exodus, we think of people exiting. When the Jews think of that book, they think of the names of the people who are exiting. It's more personal. Okay, then comes Leviticus, which in Hebrew is Vayikra, which means the Lord called out. He called out to Moses, okay? Then you have Numbers in Hebrew, which is Bamidbar, which means in the wilderness. And then you have Deuteronomy in Hebrew, which is Devarim, which means these are the words. So when they say the first 5 books, they say, in the beginning, these are the names the Lord called out in the wilderness, and these are his words. Pastor Mark Biltz here from Shaddai Ministries. Thank you again so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe and share. Also, please like this video, and we would love to hear your comments. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.